Today on the Roadhouse, we're in the garage shop, and we've got the Holley 202-1 oil pan in, and got the motor in. Here's my factory windage tray, and it is the one that has the little notch cut in it right there, so that the pickup tube, the Holley pickup tube, will fit without having to modify it whatsoever at all. Now I have the LM7 5.3 liter. Gonna need a new gasket. I got the Felpro. This is like 52 bucks, so it's pricey. And here's the gasket installed, and it tells you to go ahead and put 4 bolts on the corners. And they stick up through this. If you can tell right here, they'll stick up through here, and they'll actually stick, so you can put the gasket or put the pan on a lot easier. You see how I did it there? And then when you go ahead and put the pan on, the gasket will already be in place. You need to use a good black RTV sealant, and you're going to need to put it right here on all the corners. So let me show you right here on that. Up here along that crack as well in the corners. That way you don't have any leakage. Well, I got the motor in. The motor's in with the new Holley 202-1 oil pan. The motor and transmission alone dropped the car 1 1/8 inches. So it was 19 1/8 inches from, I went ahead and measured it from the front of this frame rail. That's middle of this circle right here, or the middle of this hole right here, to the ground, to the concrete. And that's where I measured it both times. So, and then the first time was 19 1/8, and when I put the motor, set the motor down in it, it ended up being 18 even. So we lost, or we lowered it, or the weight of the motor actually lowered the car 1 1/8 inches. Hopefully I don't have to take the motor out too many more times. It's getting down to it where I'm pretty much sure that it's about where it's going to be sitting. So that's tomorrow morning. I'm going to take out the, or I'm going to look at the transmission cross member and check on it to see if I'm going to have it fabricated. And as always, if you're going to ride her hard, don't put her up wet.